The UDK169 is VELP's fully automatic and cloud-enabled Kjeldahl analyzer designed for high-throughput laboratories requiring to automatize and streamline their nitrogen and protein determination processes. In combination with the Autosampler, it ensures the shortest time to results with simultaneous distillation and titration via an integrated colorimetric titrator. The UDK169 provides maximum accuracy, precision, and reproducibility of results on a wide range of samples in the food, feed, environmental, chemical, and pharmaceutical industries. Working with UDK169 is easy and fast. Thanks to the intuitive user interface and the bright 7-inch touchscreen, the operator can easily control each step of the analysis and access results seamlessly. The user management option ensures security and compliance, granting access with 3 levels of authorization. Furthermore, the optional 21 CFR Part 11 upgrades the software for FDA compliance. To start the analysis, homogenize the sample and transfer it into a VELP test tube. Connect the UDK169 to a balance for a seamless data transfer. The optional barcode reader simplifies data management and speeds up the analysis preparation, avoiding transcription errors. The multitasking software provides full control of the distillation unit and the autosampler to set up a series of analyses, saving valuable time. Choose from the rich library of pre-installed methods or create a new one following the guided procedure. When combined with the Autosampler, it requires the lowest operator time for Kjeldahl analysis. Sample loading is fast and effortless, with a light showing where to place the test tube. The reliable Autosampler technology drives the test tubes from the carousel to the UDK169. The reagents are automatically dosed using high-precision pumps and burette, providing a simple and safe operation for reliable analytical results. The powerful steam flow with variable steam output ensures maximum versatility for any application requirement powered by the exclusive VELP steam generator. The technopolymer splash head guarantees exceptional chemical resistance and allows ammonia to proceed for condensation. A unique titanium condenser guarantees efficient thermal exchange and low water consumption for a total nitrogen recovery. The UDK169's integrated colorimetric titrator provides reliable results as it is based on precise chemical reactions of indicators and simplifies users' activities as there is no need for time-consuming maintenance or additional costs for calibration. With a very low limit of detection, the UDK169 is the perfect choice for any sample matrix. At the end of the analysis, the UDK169 automatically cleans the titration vessel and tube, draining them from residues and driving them to the dedicated tank. The UDK169 stores the analysis results in the onboard archive. Export data to a PC and LIMS in multiple formats via USB or Ethernet. Nitrogen determination reaches a new level with the VELP Hermes Cloud platform, the smart lab solution allowing real-time monitoring of your UDK169 wherever you are at any time. VELP Hermes ensures UDK169 maximum uptime with remote service and application support. Access from a PC, smartphone, or tablet to manage multiple instruments, monitor analysis data, and instrument working conditions, and receive immediate event and alarm notifications. VELP UDK169, the premium Kjeldahl Distillation Unit designed just for you.